Hi there, this is Fixed It. I'm unpacking this 3.5mm stereo right angle connector, and in fact there's a pair of them in this bag. And the reason for these is use with a poly-end tracker, because on the tracker all the connections on the bottom of the tracker are done with 3.5mm stereo plugs. So for example, if I just want to use the MIDI out, I can plug plugs in, and then the cables are actually going to be running to the side rather than, as in this case, the line out. These things end up sticking out quite a long way. Whereas if I use this 3.5mm right angle connector, stick that in there, I can get the cables to run to the side, and then at least the cable's out of your way. Given that all the 3.5mm jack sockets are soldered to the printed circuit board of the poly-end tracker, if I get any movement at the front, it will snap those connectors off the board, causing a major problem. So I want to avoid that at all costs. Please subscribe to the channel. There are over 900 videos to choose from. Every one of them is really good and well tested, and there's lots to look at and some great money saving household tips. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.